Hi friends, today we are going to see how to attach cuff and placket to the shirt sleeve. First we have to attach canvas to the cuff area. Take your cuff as per your size and fold one side of the cuff by iron, and other strip you have to take without canvas. First we have to make slit. Here we are going to make the placket over a slit. Attach one strip in one side and here attach another slit. Both the side we have attached one strip. Give one notch at center so that we can easily fold the strip inside. You can see this. Now make one slit. This stripe we have to fold very thin, which will go inside the placket. Other side slit. At other side you have to fold 1 inch or 3/4 inch strip, which will come over the thin strip. Now fold it properly. You can see that your placket is ready at the sleeve area. Here you have to stitch rectangular box over your cut. Your box is ready. Now you have to close your sleeve till half length because you have to attach cuff now. Make your cuff ready by folding one side of your cuff. place your canvas part on the fabric and stitch it properly. Same way you have to do for another cuff. From three sides you have to stitch it. One side we have already fold and that side you have to keep open. Now cut extra fabric of the cuff. Take out the point properly with the help of scissor. You can see your cuff is ready. Now we are going to attach this cuff to the sleeve. You can see the sleeve length is more than this cuff because we have to add the pleat in front side of the cuff. We have given 2 pleats. Now you can check your cuff length. This way you have to attach the cuff to the sleeve area. On right side of the sleeve you have to keep cuff. Now you can see the margin will go inside the cuff and you have to put edge stitching over it. Give perfect stitch line while covering your cuff. At the edge you have to give perfect stitch. Now you have to give one stitch over the cuff from 3 sides with the gap of 2 mm. Remove all extra threads. Now you can see how nicely it looks. You can see this, your cuff is ready with good finishing. You can check this. From all sides, your placket is ready, pleat is looking good and cuff is also perfect. I hope you like this video. If you like this, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press bell icon and Share it with your friends who love to stitch clothes. Request to all viewers, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our channel. See you soon again in next video.